Hi, this is Oscar from UX Consultancy, and in this demo, we'll be walking through our content distribution automation, which streamlines the process of sending personalized emails with your latest content directly attached. This automation is designed for marketing and sales teams who want to keep their contacts warm by sharing new content regularly without the hassle of manually managing files, contact lists, or emails one by one. Let's run the automation. Whilst it's running, here's the Google Drive folder where the attachment content is stored. The automation will always retrieve the most recent document, making sure your contacts receive the latest material without any manual check-in. We also have our Google Sheet document here with a simplified list of 2 contacts that we will send the personalized emails out to today. In Make.com, the process begins with a Google Drive module that fetches the newest file from the folder. We then have a router with OneRoute enabled for our demo, which will be sending the email with the file attached, opposed to a Google Drive link, which is the second option. Following on from this, the second Google Drive module will download the content file sent from the first module of this automation. Next, a Google Sheets module retrieves the contact list. Each row in the sheet represents a person who should receive the update, and their details are passed forward so every contact is handled individually. For future reference, in the Google Sheet module, you can add filters so only certain rows can receive the email. To conclude this automation, the Gmail module then creates a personalized email for each contact, inserting their details along with the attachment. As you can see, we've now delivered the most recent file from Google Drive to both contacts in our Google Sheets. Each email has been personalized and the content has been delivered exactly as we selected. No repetitive downloads, no manual copy pasting, just a smooth and reliable workflow. That's a quick look at our content distribution automation and how it helps you stay connected with your audience by consistently delivering the latest content in a personalized way. If you'd like to learn more or get in touch, just check out the details on screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next demo.